Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Tahir Javed, SS Pakistan Studies in DPS in Inter College Sahiwal. I welcome you in online classes at DPS and Inter College Sahiwal. Let's start our today's lesson.
Today our topic is volcanism, types of volcanism, distribution of volcanism. Learning objectives. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to explain the volcanism, types of volcanism and their distribution. Volcanism. Definition: the eruption of a hot semi-solid matter from the surface of the earth is known as volcanism. During this process, the underground volcanic magma comes out on the surface of the earth in the form of lava. What is the difference between magma and lava? Magma is the molten matter present in the interior of the earth. When the molten matter present in the interior of the earth comes out on the surface of the earth is called lava. What is the location of volcanoes? Usually volcanism occurs along the cracks of earth plates because volcanoes are mostly found in cracks or on the boundaries of the plates of earth. About 70% volcanoes of the world are found on the bed of oceans. Such volcanoes remain hidden due to their presence in sea. Effects of volcanism. Effects of volcanism on the lives of human and plants are not very good. Volcanism has caused loss of human lives and property and plant lives. Volcanism has also caused environmental pollution. The matter, gases and dust which come out from volcanoes cause environmental pollution in the nearby areas. This pollution affects human and plant lives. Sometimes clouds of different gases are released rapidly during volcanism. Types of volcanoes. There are three types of volcanoes. First one is active volcanoes, second one is dormant volcanoes, and third one is extinct volcanoes. What are the differences among these three types of volcanoes? First one is active volcanoes. The volcanoes in which the volcanism continues are known as active volcanoes. These volcanoes often keep on erupting lava. For example, Fujiyama, Japan. Fujiyama is the active volcanoes of the Japan. Second is dormant volcanoes. Dormant volcanoes are such type of volcanoes in which a long period has gone since the eruption of lava from dormant volcanoes, but volcanism can occur any time in these volcanoes. Such volcanoes are very dangerous because these volcanoes are hidden and they can start erupting lava anytime. The third type is extinct volcanoes. In some volcanoes, the eruption of lava has stopped and there are no chances of eruption of lava in future. These are known as extinct volcanoes. This type of volcanoes are less dangerous for human and plants. Distribution of volcanoes. Mostly of the volcanoes are located in these three major areas. First one is surrounding areas of Pacific Ocean. Volcanoes are found on the cracks of earth plates. Most of the volcanoes of the world are found in the surrounding areas of the Pacific Ocean. Coastal areas of Pacific Ocean, in particular the eastern islands, are mostly formed due to volcanism. This portion is known as Ring of Fire. Second area is Trans-Eurasian Plate area. Trans-Eurasian is the second important area where volcanoes are found. It has Australian Plate, Eurasian Plate, and the middle part of the Pacific Ocean Plate. The third area. The third important area of volcanoes is the area between oceans. It is in between Atlantic and Indian Oceans. This rocky area has been formed due to volcanism. It is also known as Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Recapitulation and assessment. Give answers briefly. Define volcanism. The eruption of a hot semi-solid matter from the surface of the earth is known as volcanism. What is magma? The molten matter present in the interior of the earth is known as magma. What is lava? When molten matter present in the interior of the earth comes out on the surface of the earth is called lava. Where the mostly volcanoes of the world are found. About 70% volcanoes of the world are found on the bed of oceans. Such volcanoes remain hidden due to their presence in sea. Write a detailed answer on the types of volcanoes and their distribution. Read the page number 10, 11 and 12 of your social study book. I hope you will enjoy this lesson. Take care. Okay, Allah Hafiz.